Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna be going over with you the top 5 ways to make money online in 2019 and 2020. Let's go. Alright, before we continue with the video, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. In this channel, I talk a lot about passive income to show you and help you out in creating financial freedom in your life. And if this video is helpful to you and you're enjoying it, go ahead and give it a like and also comment down below and let me know what you're doing to create a passive income lifestyle. Alright, let's get on with the video now. So way number 1 is YouTube ADSENSE revenue. This is the money that YouTube or Google will pay you for the views on your videos. So the more views you get on your videos and the longer the watch times, the more YouTube is going to pay you, because the more ads that are going to be displayed on your videos. Also, there's many other factors involved in how much you'll be getting paid per video or per view. But the main thing to keep in mind is that the longer a viewer stays on your video watching it, the more you're going to get paid for that view, since they'll be displaying multiple ads on that video. And also YouTube will see that video is retaining the viewer's attention, and they'll be more likely to recommend it to other viewers, hence getting you more views and paying you more in the long run. YouTube ADSENSE is not just a great way to make money because you're going to be getting money off of just the views on your videos, but creating a YouTube channel is one of the most lucrative things that a lot of people are starting to do nowadays, because you're not just going to make money off of the YouTube ads, you're also going to be building a brand through video, which is one of the best forms of advertising at the moment. Building a strong YouTube community or audience is essential for your business, because you'll be able to direct that audience, create videos for that community about different topics, and you'll be able to promote whatever products or whatever service it is that you're gonna try to sell, to promote whatever product or service it is that you're gonna try to sell to the community. And since you already have a channel based on that community, you're going to be building a trust so that when you make content about it, your viewers will be more likely to purchase. All right, so that is way number 1, and probably one of the most important ways, because like I mentioned, you're not just beginning getting money from your YouTube video views, but you're also going to be building and establishing a long-term brand online on YouTube that you can direct to other platforms as well. You can direct them to your Instagram if you also want to grow your Instagram, or to your actual website if you have a WordPress, a Shopify website. If you're doing affiliate marketing on another site, you can use your YouTube channel to grow your business wherever it is that you have it online. So let's move along. Way number 2 that you can make money in 2019 and 2020 online is by being an affiliate marketer, by affiliate marketing other people's physical or digital products. And you can do this through websites like ClickBank. They offer a lot of digital products on there which pay good commissions, or you can also promote products on like Amazon as an Amazon affiliate, or eBay as well. Pretty much all major websites and companies nowadays that have a website offer an affiliate program. So based on the community that you're building online, you can find products geared toward that community and affiliate market those products to that audience, and everybody wins, because you'll be helping your viewers out with products that they're probably searching for anyways, and you'll be getting a small commission for putting that product in front of them and helping them buy. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is that the approval process to start affiliate marketing for these companies is super quick and easy, and you don't have to keep any overhead inventory. You're not going to have any overhead expenses, and you don't have to ship anything. These companies take care of all of that for you. All you have to do is pretty much promote the product on your YouTube channel or on your website and send traffic over to those affiliate products. And whenever there's a sale, you'll make a commission. So way number 3 that you can make money now in 2019, 2020 online is by having your own e-commerce website. Nowadays, almost everyone is using Shopify as their e-commerce platform, and I use them myself as well, because it makes building a e-commerce website super simple and easy. And they have plenty of up-to-date apps that you can use to make the site look more professional, to increase sales, to track all your analytics, see what's working, see what's not. And they just offer plenty of features features for you to run your own online e-commerce store. Super simple. And to drive traffic to your e-commerce store, you'll be able to use your YouTube videos to promote products that you can then link to your own e-commerce or Shopify store, bringing in traffic that will be interested in the products that you're offering on there. And you can also use paid ads. You can promote on Facebook ads, which is very popular right now. Also YouTube ads, Instagram ads as well. You can use all these social media platforms to try out and test different target audiences and see which work, which don't in driving traffic to your e-commerce store. Now, the main difference about affiliate marketing and owning your own e-commerce store is that if you have your own e-commerce store, you're either going to be drop shipping the products, or you can store your products and inventory in-house and probably make more profit, because when you start ordering the products yourself in bulk quantities from China, you'll be able to get better, lower prices and be able to make more profit in the long run than if you were just to drop ship it. Usually if you're drop shipping, since the other company is also taking care of your shipping and handling, they're going to try and make more profit to cover that side of the work as well, taken away from your end profit. So there's many different ways you can go about this. The most important thing is to get started, start selling products, and then once you are, then you can go ahead and make the decision on whether you want to take care of the shipping and handling yourself or just drop ship and have the other company take care of that for you. But these are decisions that you'll be able to make only when you're actually getting traffic and making sales. So way number 4 to start making money online 2019, 2020 is by selling on marketplaces. So instead of selling on your own e-commerce store, which you're going to have to bring in traffic yourself through organic or paid ads, you can sell on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay. There's also a bunch of apps now on your phones where you can sell things as well. You can use Craigslist, OfferUp. These are all marketplaces where you can sell whatever products it is that you're trying to get to your audience or that you're just trying to sell. And the great thing about Amazon and eBay is that they have a huge audience, and you can just do research and learn how to actually succeed in selling in these websites. There's actually a process to it, and there's a lot of things that you can learn to make success much easier for you. If you're selling on Amazon, you can do Amazon FBA, which you're getting the inventory and products yourself and you're sending it straight to Amazon so that they take care of the shipping and handling for you. Or you can do the shipping and handling yourself and keep a little bit more profit, although you are going to have more work. So I would only say that this is the smart way to do it if you're actually selling enough where you can actually hire a team to take care of the shipping and handling for you, because if not, you're going to be spending all day just taking care of the packaging and shipping and all that stuff yourself, and it's going to consume your time away from the things that really matter in growing your online business. eBay as well. eBay is very similar to Amazon. It's a marketplace that has a ton of traffic and has been around for years, and they have their own selling process as well, where you can rank higher in their search engine when people are searching for different products. Although eBay is also auction style, so they offer buy it now buying format and also auction style buying format as well, so you can play around with that as well. But I know many successful sellers that are making it big on Amazon and on eBay as well. And the final way to make money in 2019, 2020 online, the 5th way that I'm going to cover in this video, is by selling info products, also known as digital products or courses. Selling informational products online is a very lucrative business and has been for many, many years, as long as you're getting the right information that your audience is looking for in front of their eyes and presenting it to them in a way where they can connect with you and feel that you're going to be offering them value. So like I said, this is one of the best ways to make money online, because you're going to do all of the work up front in creating your digital course, digital product. Once that is created, all you're going to have to worry about now is just offering that product out to your audience via videos, via paid ads, via maybe a blog website. But that is the great thing, that the course will be up and running, and all you'll have to do is focus on bringing traffic into that information that you want people to buy. And the other thing about this is that you're going to also be building email lists at the same time, because when you send traffic over to your landing page, you're going to have an email opt-in box where you're going to offer something for free in return for an email address, and you're going to be building a email list of an audience that is interested in a certain type of niche product, that even if they don't buy the product on your landing page, you'll still be able to retarget that email list, offering them the product again and again until they buy, or offering them similar products as as well that is related to the type of product that they were interested in the first place. And the great thing about selling digital products or digital courses is that, like I said, you just do the work up front. It's not going to cost you any money. I mean, maybe under $100 for the website and hosting, but it's not going to cost you any more inventory fees after that. You don't have to continue buying these products in order to continue reselling them. You just create it one time, maybe every few months, give it some maintenance, update the information on there to stay relevant, but you're not going to have to invest any more money into it. And as long as you keep bringing in traffic and driving in sales to those info products, it's going to be 100% profit because it's all a digital product that you created. All right, so those are the top 5 ways to make money in 2019 and 2020. Go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me out a lot. Comment down below and let me know what you're doing. If you're working on any projects right now to start creating a passive income lifestyle for yourself. And that is it for this video. I'm going to be making more passive income videos for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, that is it for now. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.